my global audience, I promised you that it's going to be a tireless pursuit. And you know that I'm doing my next Congress, BioAg World Congress, BioAgTech now, in Raleigh. And I'm here sitting with Executive Director Ryan Combe, who is the Executive Director for Research Triangle Regional Partnerships. They are our partners, strategic partners in organizing this Congress. But you know that I don't choose my partners without fully understanding if we are synergistic. Do they believe in the same values? What I believe in, you believe in, and what my crusade is all about. So in this crusade, first thing I want to ask Ryan. Ryan, first of all, thank you so much for hosting me today and last night. I have seen you a number of times, and I will talk about that as well because I was very intrigued as a young man, the kind of passion you have. But first of all, I want my audience to know, what is RTRP all about?
So North Carolina is 100 counties, and the Research Triangle Regional Partnership is a regional economic development organization. So we represent 14 of the 100 counties in North Carolina. We have a regional population of about 2.5 million people. We've got about 180,000 students annually going to classes here in the region. 3 Tier 1 research universities, and we're all centered around the Research Triangle Park, which is the largest research park in the United States.
What drives you? How do you get this passion? Every week you are visiting so many country people, you are inviting them to North Carolina, you're trying to promote this ecosystem and whatever is available here. If they are not here, you are going there. So what drives you?
I think what drives me is I'm a North Carolina native, and I'm very proud of the state that I grew up in, and I'm really proud of the region that I get to represent every day. We're an untapped resource, and what I've found is that many people in the world know little to nothing about what's going on here. Like I said, it's an untapped resource. I'm excited to share with people our story. I'm excited to get the message out of what we have going on here, and I want others to experience that. I want to build partnerships. I want North Carolina to become a world leader on a global stage, and I think we're just in its infancy of getting that done.
So do you want to talk a little bit about the ecosystem other than the university and what you are doing through the council and the economic group? What else is there?
So early on in my career, I've been at this role 7 years, I realized what a great cluster of AgTech companies we have. If traditionally we're a biotech hub, we're a quickly rising technology hub as well. Google and Apple have both announced that they're building big presences here. But there's this cross-pollination between biotech and technology that's really feeding into this third sector, which is agriculture technology. NC State is at the forefront of a lot of the research that's happening here. So when you put all that stuff together and you put the cluster of companies that we have here all working together, and the end game is the farmers in the field, and that everyone shares a common focus and goal for sustainable agriculture. It's fun to put all those pieces together and watch this region grow. And so that's why having companies come here and see that they could be a part of something special, a bigger cause, is exciting, and it makes it easy to get out of bed every morning and go to work.
And they have a lot of places where they can come and do the innovation, like Alexandria, they have NC Biotech to get the help from. But for you, what was more attractive that you chose us to be your partner in this?
Well, Roger, you may compliment me a lot, but I'm going to throw another compliment back at you. It's your passion. It's your wanting to bring all the stakeholders together for a common cause, sustainable agriculture. And so for us, it was easy to join with someone like you who shares our passion and wants to bring together everyone, not just as a way to make money or B2B meetings, but really bring all the stakeholders together. Let's talk about the global challenges we all face and how we come up with common solutions for everybody. Every continent is affected. This is a global issue, and so you're at the forefront of that, of spurring conversation and hoping to change.
Thank you so much. And I don't want to do the names dropping, because you and I are working on bringing some big people here who can inspire people and also listen to the global audience, that how we can help the global challenges, whether it's regulatory or whether it is sustainability. what else are you going to share with us when I bring all these people, global people? Can you say a little bit more about what is in your mind? What are you planning for them?
Sure. So, being in North Carolina, obviously Southern hospitality is something that we're very proud of. And so the first thing you're going to get to experience is the Southern culture and the people. We have some of the best people in the world, some of the most heartwarming people that I get to work with every day. So you're going to get to meet a lot of those folks. For those at golf, we're probably one of the top places in the country for golf. I know we've got a day dedicated for golf at a beautiful golf course. It's part of NC State University's campus. Well, like you said, we've got a lot of dignitaries we've been inviting, a lot of special events, hopefully taste some North Carolina good food and fun. And it's just going to be a great opportunity to really expose everyone to what makes this region great, and I'm excited to share that with others.
Fantastic. So once again, I want to thank Ryan and RTRP, and especially the board members I met, in fact, last time in your board meeting. They were all so excited about this opportunity, and they thought that sustainable agriculture is one thing. We all have to unite. It's not only about Raleigh. It's not only North Carolina. It's for all of us. So I can say today, I cannot find better partners than what I found here in Raleigh. And we will continue this journey. Every fourth year, we will be here with the same partners. And we will make sure that in those 4 years, whatever has happened, you get to know again from horse's mouth, as they say. So on that note, goodbye for now. I will see you in Raleigh. Don't forget to book for the golf. It's going out fast.